Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. I've seen many videos on YouTube about the Ichimoku clouds, and most of them are too long. They have too much complicated terminology, and I think they're going to turn off a lot of people. And so I wanted to present something very quick and simple, and it's really just an introduction, but here we go. Let's talk about it. So this is the Yahoo daily price chart from stockcharts.com, and I wanted to use this as an example. And all these candlesticks each candlestick represents 1 day of price action for Yahoo stock. Alright, so this is the cloud, and as you can see, sometimes it's green, sometimes it's red. And you notice that the cloud actually goes beyond the current day's price action, and we'll talk about that later. So if the current price is above the cloud, like it is here, the current candlestick is above the cloud right now, then the direction is considered up, and that's considered bullish. If the current price is below the cloud, like it is for these candlesticks, they're all below the cloud, then the direction is down, and that's considered a bearish sign. Also, if the cloud is currently green, like for example this is today's candlestick, and today the cloud is green, then the direction again is up, and that's considered bullish. And if the cloud is currently red, like on this day for example, the cloud is colored red, then the direction is down, and that's considered bearish. So for example, if you look at today's candlestick, it's above the cloud, that's considered bearish, that's considered bullish, and the cloud itself is green, and that's also considered bullish. If you look at this candlestick on this day in December, the current candlestick is below the cloud, and that's considered bearish, and the cloud itself was colored red on this day, and so that's also a bearish sign. Now what about the rest of these lines? Well, in addition to the general direction of the price action, the lines can also be interpreted as levels of support and resistance. And that includes all 5 of these lines here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because these 2 lines that form the cloud are themselves useful as support and resistance lines in addition to these 3 other lines here. When the current price is above the various lines on the chart, those lines are considered levels of support. So for example, these candlesticks here are all above the lines, and so this would be the first level of support, and this would be the next one, and then this would be the next one, and this would be the next one. When the current price is below the various lines on the chart, those lines are considered levels of resistance. So for example, these candlesticks here are below the lines, and so the first level of resistance would be here, and then the next one would be here, then this one, and then this one, and then this one. The 2 lines that form the cloud itself are often considered to be the strongest support and resistance levels. So it's a big deal when the price breaks out of the cloud. Alright, so for example, this candlestick right here would have this line as the strongest resistance level, and this line as the strongest support level. And when it broke through this strong resistance level here, as you can see, it just went up and up and up after that, and so that's a sign when it breaks out like that. Now what about over here? Well, on the standard settings, the cloud projects support and resistance levels 26 days ahead of the current price. If this is today's price, then as you can see, the cloud itself projects 26 days beyond today's candle, and so it provides, interestingly enough, future support and resistance, which not a lot of indicators do, and so I think that's pretty cool. Alright, so this was just an introduction, but I wanted to strip away all of the complicated terminology and just give a brief introduction so that you can pursue further education on your own. So if you found this to be helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and leave comments. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive the latest updates on my financial educational videos. And if you'd like some help with indicators, or stocks, options, or just putting together a trading or investing plan, you can email me at any time. My email address is davidmodell@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I'll talk to you again soon.